Hello, you're welcome to this video. And on this video, I'm going to be showing you top 5 business smart ways to earn 200,000 naira per month on telecom business in Nigeria. My name is Shedrack and I make content on Nigerian Telecom Business TV. Now, this channel is dedicated for you to actually start business, especially when it talks about telecom business. So we do content training on this particular channel that has to do with VTU set of solutions. Okay, platform reviews. We talk about platforms that are actually paying and like platforms that are very legit. Okay, when you can actually start and grow up your VTU business as a vendor. We also do trainings. Okay, trainings has to do with sensitizations of the business in Nigeria. We do occasional tech reviews across different industries. Now, this particular video is sent us on VTU setup system that will enable you to start this business on a very solid ground. So before I continue, do well to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Subscribing to the channel will enable you to receive updates whenever we have one in the channel. Having said that, let's go to the video properly. We are going to be looking at 5 smart ways. Okay, we're going to be exploring each of these smart ways you can actually use to leverage the telecom industry to be able to make a lot of money in the process. Now, the whole essence of this is for you to build either a secondary source of income or even a primary source of income using any of these 5 top smart ways you can actually make money in telecom business. So we are not in any way trying to actually say something to you, but we're exposing you to the business, then giving you the go ahead to make your due diligence research and then make up your mind on what is best for you. So make use of the link in the description of this video to get started in any of these ways you can actually make money. Our support is always reachable. You can also join the WhatsApp group, which is always there to actually get you notified when we make a posting like this. So make sure you join the WhatsApp group and also contact support anytime you need any of these business. As soon as possible, we get you started and then you'll be able to get going. Okay, now the first very one is product sales. Okay, now product has to do with you selling something like airtime, data, sales, cable, subscription, exam EPIN. You can actually use platforms like modata.com.ng. We also have a platform which is also very, very okay, which is instantmobiledata.com.ng. Okay, so instant mobile data is more vast, more than that of more data. But here, more data is just like you want to start like maybe you want to say airtime VTU. You can start with more data, but if you really want to actually explore other opportunities that include data, sales, cable, electricity, subscriptions without just limiting yourself to only airtime VTU, then instant mobile data.com.ng will be your choosing point for that. So the first way you make money from this business, remember we're looking at the top five, okay? Top 5 ways you can actually make money from this business. We're looking like making something like 200K a month. So the very first way is doing product sales. And the second one is you become a reseller, okay? Now, this involves upgrading your account to a reseller or API user so you can enjoy a better discount and also resell the product at a more reduced price to other people and make more money from the margin you put in. Okay, top users on example is more data is getting is 2,000 and why the API users cost just 10,000 for you to upgrade. To upgrade, you can kindly contact us on WhatsApp. So you can either use more data for these business purposes or you can use this platform. So we're going to be making reviews on more data. So, but we are just like telling you can actually use any of them to actually achieve this, being a reseller in the process. So either you go to moredata.com.ng or you use that of instantmobile.com.ng. We have made several reviews of instant mobile data. Me to say, please, instantmobile.com.ng. We have made several reviews about this platform. So it's high time you use the playlist on our channel. If you go through our channel here, which is Nigerian Business Telecom TV, you can see here that if you click on playlist, you'll be given a lot of a kind of videos. At the moment of recording this training, you have to see that you have several videos. You can see here, if you click on this platform reviews, you'll be able to see that instant mobile data has been reviewed on the channel. Okay, so make sure you check it out to get update as regard to the platforms. We have talked about several things that have to do with the platforms. You can see all of them coming here on the channel. So go through them to get understanding of instant mobile data. Okay. Okay, you can also check out the more data, which we are emphasizing on this training. So more data is specifically for Airtime VTU. You can also do that of what's it called? You can also do cable, what's it called? Recharge, data subscription, right? You can do data subscription, but you cannot be able to do other B payment. That's why we are recommending instant mobile data. Okay. Now the third way is through learning. Okay, you can learn how to code VTU script yourself to make a lot of money in the process. So now you can learn how to code VTU script and start charging money for people who need VTU web development services. We have a training platform which you can check out and start to learn right away. You can check out VTUCamcode.com.ng. We're going to be making several reviews about each of these platforms in the upcoming series, but we are just like trying to give you a clue of how you actually can generate up to 200K per month. So for you to get updated whenever we're making such review, is for you to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. So let's look at the fourth way you can actually make money in this business. That is through owning a reseller VTU website. Okay, so you can own a reseller VTU website to make money in this business. Now, what is a reseller VTU website? A reseller VTU website gives you ability to start building sub-based customers on your telecom business, where you can give them services on telecom such as airtime, sales, data, and several other B payment systems that enable you to actually make money from the margins you have set through this process. So you make money from your margins you set up as a commission on sales of each product. Example, if you set up a reseller VTU portal. So let's look at the case study scenario. Set up a reseller VTU portal now, and maybe you are getting 1 gig of MTN SME for 216. You can decide to resell it for 225 for your end customer, making 9 naira per each sales of data sold. Multiply it with the number of customers you have on your VTU reseller website. You will be amazed at how much you can come up with in a month. So that is exactly how the reseller website really works in a nutshell. Now you can also own a standalone VTU reseller website. Now, what is a standalone VTU reseller website? It's a website set of system that allow you to own a VTU website that is not tied down to a particular service provider or gateway of API services. This kind of VTU setup system gives you the freedom to switch your API to any gateway system at any time. We have trace independent apps and solutions that can give you this ability. So, but let me also give you the number 4 kind of, okay, if you want to actually get a setup system on this 4 category, let's look at instantmobile.com.ng. Instant Mobile is one of the best platforms when you talk about setting up VTU website in Nigeria. So we are going to still be making reviews on this platform. So, but then I want to just show you a sample of how, if you want to go in for the option 4, we're going to start up a reseller VTU website. Now, I'm going to recommend you go to pricing. When you click on pricing here, when you go to pricing section on the instantmobile.com.ng platform, you're able to see here that the first solution they have here is the bulk order, right? Now, this bulk order is very, very okay for you to get started as a reseller. This is actually a reseller program. So you can see the first one here is 11,500, very affordable. While you can see the second one here is 35,000. Okay, the MSD Pack 2. Though the Pack 3 here is 125,000 at the moment. So, but you can start with any of these packages and to get yourself a reseller website. Now, but if you go further, you see that this particular one, which is going a standalone VTU website, is quite different from that of a reseller website, because here you're actually not tied down to a particular API. And now, what is an API? API simply means application programming interface. Okay, what actually regulates the telecom business in Nigeria is the ability for you to get where you source your product and where you sell it. Okay, so what controls such section is called API. So we have three independent apps and solutions that can give you ability to own a VTU portal that is not reseller based. Now, one is VTU Portal Creator. And this is a simple application that will enable you to start a standalone VTU based portal. Check it out here. You can check it out from this section. If you click here, you can see VTU Portal Creator here. You can see where it is written here boldly on the instantmobile.com.ng platform. So if I click on that VTU Portal Creator, you'll be able to see detailed explanation as regard to the software and what it entails and how to actually get started with it. So you can see a lot of detailed explanations that explains everything about this software. Now, if you go down there, you see the prices about the software. So you can see the basic VTU Portal Creator pack is 58,000, while the Pro VTU Portal pack is 185, while the other one of Ultimate is 485. So what differentiates them is actually what is inside each of the packages. So you can take a look at that and then make up your mind on what you want in telecom business, especially when you have to do with starting a business and taking proper share of the business. Now, Advanced Telecom app is also here. Now, this is a license-based VTU portal that helps you to own a VTU portal based on a standalone ground with all-in-one bill payment system such as airtime, data subscription, electricity, educational EP, recharge card, and a lot, guys. You can see affiliate program is also there. So you can check out the VTU reseller package page. If you look at here, you can click on reseller. If you click on reseller, it will take you to where you can actually see all the packages on this category. So this is also here. You can check out the descriptions, but then you can look at the packages that is currently here. You can see the starter reseller, you can see the hot reseller, you can see the business telecom. So each of these will get you this particular number B of in this training. So you can see the training, or that's the advanced telecom app script. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out. Now you can see the C part is the universal script. This is a VTU solution that gives you the ability to have a VTU website on the standalone and also give you the ability to switch API. The core services on this application include Airtime, VTU data, sales, membership system. So we are giving you a sample demonstration just to tell you what it looks like. And you can see it right away, which is moredata.com.ng. So you can check it out and see things for yourself. So, but if you need this solution, chat up our support line, which is 8136374446. And then you can also join the Universal VTU Script group, which is also going to be listed on this description of this video. So each of these will give you ability to get started to making nothing less than 200K in telecom business in Nigeria. So if that is what interests you, hit up us on WhatsApp, which is you can chat either 091 3797 0068 or Can also chat of 081 36 37 446. Each of these lines can get you started. Just make mention of this video that you are calling or are chatting up from Nigerian Telecom Business TV. So make your inquiries and get started, either to be a vendor or to also own the business. Subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Having said that, let's go to the next video, which we explain to you how to actually start with instant mobile data. A to Z video explaining everything about instant mobile data. Let's go to that video.